G'day and welcome to the PAMMO Stitch Elements with Jenny Brandis. This video shows the roseground crossover element from month 3. Starting with a roseground at the tip with a cloth stitch trail on either side, this element also has a spider type crossover in the centre. Using the top left 2 pairs, work whole stitch, cross, twist, tension and lay them aside. Using the top 2 right pairs, work whole stitch, tension and lay them aside. Work the top of the roseground with cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Next work the left pin in half stitch. Then the right in half stitch. Now the bottom roseground pin in half stitch. Work cross, twist with the outgoing pairs from the roseground. Cross stitch the trail down the left side to the second inner pin. Add 3 twists to the right pair and lay them aside while you work to the third inner pin. Lay them all aside now. Mirror the trail on the right, cross stitch the trail and lay those pairs aside. Join the trail and the foot side and continue with the trail. You can work the crossover as a simple cloth stitch or do as I did and work it as a cloth stitch pin cloth stitch. Add 3 twists to both pairs before working the last of the cloth stitch trails. Working the last of the cloth stitch trails. Whole stitch the roseground incoming pairs and tension. Work half stitch pin half stitch in all 4 of the roseground pins before finishing the element with whole stitch on the outgoing pairs. Thank you for watching this video.